Right, so this is actually going to be a really short video because this trick is just really easy to do. So here's the performance. So we got 3 cups and 3 balls. We can take one ball, put it on top of the middle cup. It goes right through the cup. We can do this again. Put a ball to the middle cup. It goes right through. And now for the last one, we can actually make it go through 2 cups. See, it's gone right through. But you can, okay, here's the tutorial. And you can use whatever cups you want if you don't have these cups. I'm sure you can find an alternative. So how this trick is done is there's actually a 4th ball. So the setup for this trick is that you put the extra ball, 4th ball, just in the middle cup, and that's all. So it's basically self-working, this trick, as long as you just do the right things. So you're going to take it, each cup at a time from the bottom and just flip it over. So just in front of the balls, or behind if you want. It doesn't really matter. So, and then for the one with the ball in it, as long as you do it fast, the spectator won't see the extra ball. So just, it really does, the spectator doesn't notice it, and they can't see it. So, and then you basically just take a ball, put it on top of the middle cup, and snap your fingers, whatever, and you can just show that there's a ball has appeared. Just do the same thing and it's actually just put 2 balls there, and you do the same thing, cover it up, it's gone through, show it's gone through, and you can do it again. And if you want, you can, in the performance like I did, you can put 1 cup on and then make it say that you're going to go through 2 cups, and just whatever you want, and you can show that it's come through. At the end of the trick, you can kind of do this if you want, but it's completely up to you, because you just show it's empty, even a bit, but it's actually in this cup over here. So that's the trick, guys. I hope you enjoyed. See ya.